Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 1921 Lakeview Road, a beautiful waterfront home in Cambridge Narrows.
Enter the front door to a generously sized foyer on the main floor. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, tile backsplash, and plenty of work and storage space. The large, open concept great room has a ductless heat pump, lovely natural light, and nice finishes. The primary bedroom and spare bedroom are on opposite sides of this floor, each boasting its own ensuite bathroom. The primary bedroom is ultra spacious, with a sitting area, walk-in closet, and another ductless heat pump. The ensuite bathroom is a spa-like oasis with a tile shower and soaker tub overlooking the water. Head down to the fully finished walkout basement. First is a family room with a cozy wood stove. This level also hosts another full bathroom, a third bedroom, and a walk-in closet with storage. Next, find a spacious media room or rec room with a wet bar and propane fireplace. This lower level also has an amazing sun porch with direct access to the backyard. The backyard features a large stamped concrete patio, hot tub, and a gentle slope down to the water. The guest house has a full bathroom, a bedroom, and a living room and kitchen with views of the water. This 3.5-acre property boasts a large home, a guest cottage, greenhouse, and 2 double-car garages. For more information on 1921 Lakeview Road, visit our website, frederictonhomes.com.